This video demonstration is going to look at how you can create a protection group in vSAN data protection. The first step is to highlight the vSAN cluster and click on Configure vSAN Data Protection. Here we're going to click the Protection Groups tab and create a new protection group. Here we're going to name the protection group, in this case HR VMs, representing the VMs that we want protected. We're going to choose a local protection group, and we will enter in the wildcard name that will automatically select the VMs that we wish. Here we're going to select the snapshot interval as well as the snapshot retention period. We can have more than one snapshot schedule and retention period per protection group. Once that protection group has been created, we click on that and we'll notice that it is saying that we need to take a local snapshot first in order to activate the protection group. The protection groups in vSAN data protection make snapshot management easy and scalable.